Hello guys, today I'll show you how to use sell in OCO. So now I'm gonna sell GMT pair USDT. So this is the high and this is the low. The volume is 324,000 So you click on sell here. Okay, I cancel my GMT. So look at my previous buy, what that I buy. Click on here. So what buy, what's price that I buy, what it doesn't work. Click on here, the price that I buy. Okay, so I bought at this 0.72, so I must sell above that price. I will set OCO. Go back. Okay, so click on sell here. Limited change to OCO. So we have price, we have stop, we have limit, amount, and percentage in dollar. So here I will set the, I thought that this price will go to 0.80. So I set this 0.80. And the second option, if it not go to 0.80 will go down. So I will stop loss here. So I bought at 0.75. I will sell it. Example 0.731. I will stop at this price, but I will sell at this price 0.30, like this. Okay, so amount, how much you sell? All. Okay, sell all. Okay. Wait, I'm sorry, here is 7. Oh, I'm sorry, here is 7.30. So again, the first option is you will buy at 0.80. If not, we will stop at this price and sell at 0.730 with this price. 200 and $502. Okay, so now I will set now. Click on here. Click on here to set price, to set sell. Click on it. Okay, so they will ask us price will sell. It's error. Price will sell 0.80. If not, stop at this and sell this first 0.30. We'll click confirm here. Okay, now we do waiting. Okay, so I don't wait. If it go to this price, 0.80 will buy for us. If not, I will buy at 0.73. Okay, or you can check on the whole. So here it's not doesn't display all. You click on here to display your order here. So here is your order. You click on open order. You see you here. First you sell at 0.80. If it doesn't come up to this, you will sell at this price 0.73. Yeah, this price. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye.